Creating a digital twin of HeyGen just got 10 times faster, literally. Hi, I'm Justin. I'm the product marketer here at HeyGen, and I'm going to show you how to create your digital twin in just 15 seconds. You're going to want to start from the Avatars tab. Go ahead and click on your profile and select New Avatar. This will bring you to a page that gives you the option to clone a real person. Make sure to give HeyGen access to your camera and microphone, and from here, you're able to record your new avatar in just 15 seconds. Once you tap Start Recording, get ready for your close-up. Follow the prompts on screen to ensure your avatar looks, sounds, and moves just like you. Remember, stay natural and take pauses between statements. So I'm going to choose background removal so I can choose custom backgrounds later. I want the highest resolution, so I'll choose 4K. And because I'm recording the office, I'm going to choose to remove background noise. And in a few moments, our avatar will be ready. So when your avatar is ready, it'll appear right here on the avatars page. Let's go ahead and open it up.
Witkov, tu digital twin está listo. Intenta crear videos con él. Konnichiwa, Justin Witkov-san. あなたのデジタルツインが準備できました。ビデオ作成を示してみてください。
So that's a preview of our video translation features that you can now use with your 15-second avatar. You can also use it in your marketing content, personalized video messages, as well as learning and development videos. And that's it. So you can get started right away in AI Studio using your avatar that you created in just 15 seconds.
Ready to get started? Head to HeyGen.com to create your avatar in 15 seconds for free today.